discover greatness, not to give
Just
us
you?
greatness.
Or is that just an excuse because he's weak?
He's not weak. He created our entire race. Your race too, though you fell from grace.
Fall from grace. I am living my life fully, and we are going to get as much knowledge and power as we can. What can be better than that?
Maybe,
If we are not worth enough to live
War
one life,
and
we
killing.
shouldn't get one more. We
well,
shouldn't
if you
get one
didn't
more
fall
life than
from
that.
grace, you would not only reincarnate, the sun wouldn't hurt you.
That's debatable. I mean, fall from grace.
Not
What grace
only.
did you have?
Dark Alphas were. They were like other Alphas before they
Why would I
started
want to
to.
be like a wow?
I would like to
Well,
Why
join
would I
in,
want to
but
be
I don't
weak like
know
wow?
what Vidalkins worship. So
well, for
I
one.
just begin walking down the path away from
I'll follow you.
Wait a minute. What are they doing?
I'm absolutely not waiting. Let's go.
Tarvin, we're trying to be stealthy.
I'm
Come
walking
on.
down the middle of the path. There's nothing stealthy about my character, I just won't have this.
I will roll with disadvantage. I got an 11.
So there we
I'm
go.
rolling stealth too. Wait a minute.
I'm also rolling with disadvantage, so I rolled a 6.
Yeah.
And also, I'm walking down the center of the path.
We
I
are
mean, I'm
being
checking
hurt
for
by
traps.
everyone.
I do
I
want to
think
look
we
for
should
traps along the way.
I think we should abandon stealth.
So you, Ian, you hear a very loud band of adventurers marching down the road as if they're off to have a very grand feast.
They are doing clanging noise.
It's almost like a marching band, yes.
We're a diversion, and Rain is hiding.
Really is going to be because I can see far in the dark. Might be that I see danger before they do, so I'm still behind them, but looking forward. So if I see anything, I'll let them know. But I'm not doing any noise, making noise. I'm not. So that's all.
Yeah.
Let's follow ahead.
So you guys are deciding to follow the path, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. You guys are the party at. Wait, is this at night or do you guys wait for the sun to rise?
Night.
Okay, so it's still night.
now.
You guys are following the path with its steep, dark forest. It's almost as if something is watching you from behind. Owls are out howling. Wolves you hear from the distance. The wind is blowing through the breeze. It's quite a very dark and scary night. 'Cause it's terror time again. And you just might know why it's a terrifying night.
What? I thought
I'm like leaned forward, just walking as quickly as I can up this mountain. Like I don't care about anything that's behind me.
I'm trying to lead Trivas so he won't kill himself off this dark path without light.
Oh, yeah, thank you. And I'll just, yeah, you can like light one of my short swords or something.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dave.
How far are we up the path at this point? How far do you
Um,
think we should be?
A couple of hours have passed. Stop moving your characters. The path. Remember that this is a full-on mountain, and it's much bigger than it seems. Like your characters are much smaller. You see by the time you hit the base of the mountain, you see the sun behind you slowly rise from the south, east.
The base
Look,
is
the
here,
sun.
right?
Wait,
Rises in the east, right?
yeah, I'm pretty sure rises in the east.
Rises in the east, sets in the west.
So yeah.
Well, I mean, that's here. I don't know about Faerun.
It's it's like that everywhere. The world does not turn a different direction somewhere else on the world.
Just
No,
make
no,
it sure.
Faerun's not on the world. Faerun is a fictional world.
Okay, fair enough. Alright, yeah, I guess.
The sun rises at You after a while, you notice that the path seems to be covered in leaves, rocks, and other junk. You notice that the path seems to disappear later on. You can only assume that the path has been covered up and hidden from you.
Any tracks? Any vestiges of
You
the
see,
unusual tracks or anything?
you're gonna have to make a survival check.
Survival.
I'm not
I'm
good
not
at
good
that.
at that.
I'm not good at that either, but let's
Everyone fails.
I haven't failed yet, but I'll try.
Can I try perception?
Oh, there you go.
Oh,
Mario.
Finally, someone. Oh, it's because it was on disadvantage, huh? Um,
That's not a disadvantage. I'm glad I did.
Doug, using your advanced tracking skills, you could sniff out people who's been walking there. You look on the ground and find what seems to be four booted humanoids came down within the last couple of days, headed into the forest.
And there are like whole snapped like tree limbs and stuff like it was very obvious. It's just the rest of the group missed it.
Yes.
Somehow they were like, "What's
Yeah,
going
I did
on?
see
Where's
it.
the blues clue?"
You could
Um,
you could follow somewhat the path the orcs were following reversal. But do you choose to? You guys are at the base of the mountain. You guys see the mountain high up. The path goes on.
Do you guys have any idea what to do now? Are we following the
I just want
tracks?
to walk up to the plan is right now. Walk up to the leader and cut his head off, and then leave. With the entire village of orcs coming with us. That is the plan right now.
well, they
Yeah.
are going to be after us either because they are going to be chasing us, or
Typically, orcs are very honorable creatures. I think that a good plan would be we challenge their leader. If the leader is an orc, he will likely accept the challenge. I don't know if I would recommend myself to be the challengee, but it's up to you guys if you want to do it that way.
So Dougie, why are you so headset on getting everyone to like join the village? I don't know. Did you already tell us about this? I'm wondering if I should try to pry the information.
He told us.
I made a deal with the. I'll tell him pretty much what happened.
Yeah.
I made a deal with the sergeant, or the captain, I guess, that I would bring back these orcs as extra guards. And I do kind of know how orcs work in some ways because they're much like me. They pretty much
slaughter
are
anyone weak.
They slaughter anybody weak, and they're very much so honor bound. I mean, most of them. I don't know if these guys will be, but judging from their friends, they didn't talk, even though we pretty much tortured that last guy.
they are worth 25 coins each. Dead. How much is each one of them worth alive?
Well, didn't the sergeant say that they are worth more alive?
To me, this isn't like a side quest or anything. This is what we're here for. We gotta kill the orc leader and then get all the other orcs down. I think that the way to do that is just to walk up and assault the village, but not quite assault it. Just tell them, I need to talk to the leader.
Yeah, I see
I'm
the
here.
best
I'm
approach.
here
I requested.
personally. I'm here for solving the problem and making as much money out of it as I can, and contact.
I'm getting Black Mountain
follow.
vibes from you.
Yeah, I say that like the best approach is we go there, we kill the leader or whatever, and we try to talk to them, and if they don't listen to reason, then we just kill every single one of them, and then we until they listen to reason. And then
I agree, but I do want to do the challenge. Like if we challenge the leader, if he is any kind of honorable, he will fight on a one-on-one.
Do we
Fair
have any buffs to cast on Terwin before the battle of Well, I don't
Uh,
have any right
I
now.
don't believe I have buffs.
I can,
It's not ones I can give other people.
not particularly because I don't have, I'm not that kind of spellcaster, but I could try
I don't
and
need your
figure
buffs.
something out. You might need.
Do 20 AC.
You might need.
I'm actually
Maybe we can-
22 AC, but yeah.
Which I still think is too.
22 AC and a shit ton of health too. Don't forget about that.
Okay, we can try with Darwin's plan. Maybe
If not,
the-
then I die, and then you guys need to leave immediately because that would be a problem. That would be very problematic. But
if
yeah, let's continue up the path
I
if everybody's alright.
think I'm wondering if we can use his pride against him, like bite his into making him challenge more than one of us. Like,
I can move
think he
180
would
feet in a
just challenge
round.
1-on-1. If he would make a challenge, he would just do it with one of them.
I mean,
But I actually
the
would
orc
like
back
to
then
turn. I would
looked
like to
so
make the
angry when we suggested that he was weak,
yes, but
and
I
he would be fighting on his ground in the place he knows. So somebody can suggest that it gives him advantage, and we can see if he wants to fight more than one of us, just to prove to us that he can do it, and he maybe can bite more than he can chew.
Somehow I think Tarvik can handle it on his own.
I just began walking back up the mountain.
Yeah.
Or we
try
can
that,
just
though.
follow Darwin.
Yeah. We could try to get more than one person. You guys do the talking. though.
I don't disagree with the plan. I'm just saying that an honor fight is more of like a one-on-one type thing. It's not so much like, oh hey, I'm an honorable guy, you're an honorable guy, so how about me and all my friends gang up and beat you up in front of all your friends?
Okay, you can try your
I-
challenge thing.
I just don't. I doubt it will work. And honestly,
Okay.
I'm not even sure if this will work, but we can try.
You can
If
try,
not, then we haven't really lost anything.
but if it doesn't work, I'm not leaving you to die.
I think it's in Vaz's character that he might leave you to die. It's just his character, though. Please don't take it out on me.
No, I'm cool. I understand the risks here. I'm trying to solo a boss. And our DM keeps snickering as if I'm just gonna get annihilated. Like if that's like the boss thing. Like this boss, if he gets you isolated, just literally drops your health to 0 and like
I
there's
mean,
no save.
you have a pretty high health and AC, so I am honestly interested of how this fight will turn out
And also,
if it's heading
I'm not
this
even
way.
sure if the DM is the one playing the orc. He could just be like, these guys are just robbers. They're gonna attack us on sight. I don't even know if it's gonna work at all, but listen, this is what we're trying.
Actually, because
if we want to, everybody
Doug,
agrees.
you didn't don't read Discord chat, but one of the I was going to change something after this discussion with Lilith and Fabiano and Catharsis, but you know what? I'm gonna keep it just to see how you do, and don't read chat, cause that will
I'm
give
not
it away.
reading chat.
Okay, don't read chat, cause that will give it away. But yeah,
Is there any hints that you can give me? What is it even
No.
about?
no. Then anyone else, don't
Okay.
tell them, okay?
Alright. Well,
Okay,
this
I
could
don't know
suck.
Eh,
Is it bad or good?
depending on what you want to do, dude. It literally is depending on what you want to do.
Okay. Yep. I'll continue up the mountain.
Okay, so what? And so is Tarvin going alone, and everyone else is just watching from behind?
No,
We're kind
we
of
are.
behind. We won't join in on the fight, though. We'll be there
Just stay
in case they attack us.
at a stealthy amount of distance to see if if they attack me on sight, then you guys stay 30 or to 60 feet back to where you guys can
Can
respond.
we,
but
My,
They're not
Can
gonna-
I-
the 12, the 20 roll for stealth is still working.
Yeah, the
I was-
rolls for stealth still work, so you guys are pretty much
So,
open, honestly.
so good. So I'm moving on my stealthy mana and behind uh Tarvin, right? So let him go ahead.
Immediately, by the way, if they agree, just assume that I'm casting Shield of Faith, like before the fight starts.
Okay.
Okay.
But do we have the leader on site already?
No,
What does it look like when we get to the village?
Ah, right. So that's it. We still need to get to approach. So
can
really
we see
keep
the village from now? From here?
No, you guys are unable to see the village. It's quite far away with the dense trees blocking the area.
But we can see the path. No,
Yeah,
that's-
it's somewhat the path, yes. What's left of the orcs have tried to hide, but you guys managed to see through.
Can
Okay.
we? Okay. I really doesn't want to clear the path because that would be telling we are going through, but he is going to do some marks on the tree trunks to make sure he knows where they are going to, just to make the way back.
Okay.
Okay, Tarvin. Let
So, do you guys go forward?
Yep, we're just
Yes.
I want to go forward until we're met by somebody, pretty much.
Okay.
Up the path. Or
So,
until we see something.
while I would just assume Tarvin's taking the lead with who's like I would say 30 feet in front of you guys, while everyone else slowly following behind,
Even more.
ready to
Even
prepare.
Yeah.
I can see 120 feet, so he could be even maybe 60 feet
Oh my
ahead of
god.
us.
30 to 60, somewhere in there. I mean, it doesn't matter. Like, however far the DM will allow us to be. Like, where they will see me significantly before they will see the group.
Yeah.
And I've came up with a hand signal, and I'll just signal them to stop whenever I need them to.
The point is, really could alert you about some danger depending on how distant you are.
I think that the sun's up now. I don't think it's...
No, it's 1 a.m.
Where do you see that?
No, wait. Joy told us.
Is it in the morning yet? Joe?
Yeah, the sun has just risen.
Ah,
So it's
okay,
morning,
so it's
yeah.
in the morning. All right. So okay, so I'm having problems now.
So, going forward, the party with Tarvin a couple of steps ahead with the lead. You, excuse me. You come at the tip of the mountain with the end of the path. You see a very large cave with with a very poorly made sign saying "Mountain Door" in multiple different languages. One in very crude Orcish. And as well as a very strange looking stone plate, what you can only assume is dwarven.
Can we see with perception and investigation if it's some sort of mechanism or something?
There's no mechanism, just a regular stone plaque with, and you see a very large cave. What you can only assume is the mountain door.
searching for traps at the entrance.
Oh yeah, searching for traps.
Help
Ooh.
action.
Only a 13.
You can't find any traps.
Ah, gee. Okay.
You guys go into the cave?
Ever worse.
Are we looking
Can
for
you-
traps just on the floor, or are we looking for traps also
Well, I
around?
did a natty 20 on that investigation roll.
Yeah. You find you don't see any traps, and you see the very large cave-in door. You see multiple footprints going in and out of the what seems to be the floor of the cave. Dirt slowly turns into gravel, then hot, solid rock.
Do we know what the leader's name is, by the way?
No.
No.
You forgot to ask Stork before you killed him.
No, we didn't. We didn't. We asked him, but he didn't say it.
Yeah, he didn't say it. You said that he was killing everybody or something like that.
So, you guys
we
go in?
said the spellcaster's name and the leader's name. Yeah,
Sure,
we are
we'll
good.
go in.
Finally, to stop looking at that old map.
Yay, new map!
Can you guys see?
Yay!
Where are we supposed to
Not
be?
yet.
Not yet. Maybe maybe you need to activate vision.
It's not
Yeah,
working.
Yeah, I can't see.
I thought I did.
Terminator.
Strange.
For some
A
reason,
nice, sexy black square.
it seems like you need to do that all the time for some reason.
No, I just did that for your guys' character. I just did it.
Mm.
I
Okay,
don't.
it's
Just
too black.
Is he black? Darkness. Darkness. It's darkness.
I
Do
don't.
we need
What's
to
going
like
on?
reload?
Oh, is it the map
Weird.
settings? Hold on, let me check the map settings.
Pure darkness.
It's like, this is the map, guys. Find your way.
Oh wait, am I supposed to do this? Okay.
Now this is super darkness. Do any of you guys have super dark vision?
Oh, okay.
I do.
Character sheet?
I actually do, because my
No.
Oh, okay. I can see now.
Extra super dark vision. I don't think you have that.
Okay, so
Wow,
that's how I
it's-
use both Fog of War and that. Okay, that makes sense.
Should we search for traps
there
in
is one,
here?
there is one Elvish invocation which is exactly the kind of dark vision that sees through any kind of darkness, magical and natural. And I've done that.
But not super mega darkness though.
I'll do like an investigation check while we're walking or whatever, just to see if we spot out any traps.
Okay.
Or
You
is that
don't.
perception? I don't know.
You don't see any traps in. Although Tarvin, stepping a couple forward, you see what seems to be 2 orcs around the corner.
Do we kill
Okay.
them or?
Yeah, we should. Go
You
ahead.
hear arguing from the end of the hallway. You could hear them in orcish arguing to each other.
We don't understand it.
I can only see it like here. Or that's what the map is showing anyways.
Can you see the orcs?
No.
Well I have like a small circle, it's not big enough for my vision.
He's farther ahead because each square is 5, so he's 6 squares ahead. We are too far ahead as well. He's farther.
Yeah, Tarvin, you're like a couple steps more forward. You're
We
so-
have-
Yeah, because I should
Yeah.
be able to see 60 feet, and I'm only able to see from
15.
like 20 feet, yeah, 15 feet, 20 feet.
How about that?
Ah, yep, that's good. I can see that.
There you go.
Yes. now
All
it's
right,
good.
well, I am good to just walk up to these guys. I need to ask them questions.
Awesome. Yeah.
So, while you're walking up to what seems to be 2 arguing orcs, they are.
Okay, in a very like alpha fashion, like, where's the boss at?
They both look at you like, huh? They speak in orcish for a couple of seconds. You don't know orcish, do you?
Nope.
Okay. So you just hear them talking to one another. Then they look at you like, who are you?
Quit your groveling. Where's the boss at currently?
Oops, I forgot to read this part. Sorry about this. The map introduction. The path climbs up one last step, switch back towards a bare shoulder of rock. The hillside rises steeply on your right and drops away precipitously on your left. Debris and rubbish lies scattered across over the last 100 yards or so. Discarded water skins, bits of charred bones, and splintered caves of kegs. Up ahead, the path opens into a wide length ledge and then doubles back sharply into the mountainside. 2 bestial humanoids in hide armor stand watch to the ledge. They appear inattentive and bored. The orcs asks, how do you know about Leader?
I'm one of his guests. Let me through now.
Yes.
Where is he?
They grumble to one another. Says, "Oh, really? Oh my god! You know what? I can't do the grumbly voice anymore because my voice is about to go out."
Okay.
I'm
Just
just,
talk normal.
fine.
I know.
No big deal.
Yeah, but it's roleplay. Yeah. The orcs ask, why should we let you? How do we believe you?
I pull out my flail and I say, if you hold me up any further, I'll kill both of you. I'm here to see the leader. Now quit wasting my time.
The orcs laugh and point the finger at one of the walls high up over here in this corner. And you look over and you see
Where's the corner? Where's the corner?
over here. You look in that direction and you see what seems to be very slim open air doors, and peeking through it, you see what seems to be very sharp objects. You can only assume are arrows pointed directly at you.
I laugh. I'm going to walk up and I'm going to hit this orc.
And you get shot by 3 arrows immediately.
Okay, I'm casting Shield of Faith. I did prep that action. Am I able to do that?
You already prepped it. You already cast Shield of Faith, didn't you?
Okay. I just said I was going to prep it for whenever I thought I was going to get in a fight next.
Okay.
Okay, yep. AC is 22. So go ahead and roll those arrows.
Okay. Give me 1 minute while I set everything up. Orc, orc, orc. Where's that orc stat? Here it is. Yeah, god, they look ugly.
Are we going to have a surprise round against them first?
No.
Do they see the rest of us of just Tarvin?
All of you,
I
because you guys all
see
failed
you
your...
guys right now.
You guys failed all your sneaks.
No, I didn't.
That was outside. That was a long
Okay.
time ago.
Right now the archers only see Taran, but the 2 orcs can clearly see since they too do have dark vision.
Well, aren't they kind of hiding? Are they hiding? Like, if they
Like-
didn't look for them, they probably wouldn't notice them, right?
I'm
Or-
kinda obscured by this wall
Are they
here.
just, yeah? Are they just kind of like standing out in the middle, like very, very obvious?
They're guarding what seems to be the entrance, you can only assume.
They're going to die.
Okay.
They are
I
going
actually would. I'd actually rather. Well, okay. I can't speak at meta right now, so never mind. Just do whatever you usually do. Play character. Are you gonna roll them arrows for me?
Yeah, hold on. Just... That's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the turn order. There it is. You guys can
I
roll
can't wait to level
initiative.
6. I get like super big.
Should they roll now?
Yeah, you guys can roll now.
Ha ha! They're going to die.
Really? Wait. We are.
No, they are, not we.
How many? Tarvin, how many orcs do you see?
I can't see any actually over this direction. He hasn't opened up that door over there, so I just see the 2.
Wait, how am I gonna...
At this point, though, I would say that I'm a guest here to duel the leader.
Wait. How am I supposed to roll the initiative on the... I'm sorry, I'm just a little confused reading how the things should turn out, should be played.
Is this a trap or is this like people sitting in the other room?
No, yeah, people in, cause the orc with the longbows are looking at you, but
I can't even see them because the
Yeah.
darkness is obscuring it. I should be able to though. If they have line of sight of me, I should be able to see them.
Not really. Have you seen arrow slits before? You're like
Oh, yeah.
fortresses.
I mean, are they gonna aim at? Are they able to aim at me if they're
yeah, it's where you
like, putting-
they can see you, but you can't see them. Honestly, and you also
Like,
can't even attack
did
them.
Did you saw in the movies the ruins of the old castles? There are always the little windows in the walls, and they are looking through them and can fire through them, but you can not see them really. It's 3/4 cover. It counts as 3/4 cover.
Very narrow.
Okay.
Question is,
Oh,
how do I
okay.
roll initiative for the orcs shooting longbows? Since
I guess you don't. They're not gonna hit anyways.
I mean, you never know.
Maybe. You know.
Just maybe
Roll that 20.
make them shoot first and then roll for them.
Ooh, that ain't gonna get there. So there's 2 of them. 3 of them. Okay.
See, that's the thing, because if I roll initiative, you guys immediately know who's who.
I think there's like a stealth way to do it, but I don't know what that is.
No idea.
No idea
I
either.
think that you can like right click it or something and then like do like a whisper or something. I don't know.
Hmm.
Whatever.
Okay, so
Okay, so
round
really,
one, start.
I'm not going to spend a spell slot. It's just going to be the freebie. So just on Elder Strike.
Okay.
On this one guy.
Wait.
Which one do you hit?
The same one, carving ones to hit. He aimed that one, right?
And you hit him.
So he takes 5.
Okay.
No hack. No hack this time, just that.
And I'm just standing here laughing. He thinks he's the only one with goons here. But he's not the only one with goons here.
Wait, you're calling us goons?
Yeah, y'all are goons.
I took offense.
What do you want? You guys
basically
have hit me more than
aristocracy.
the enemy. I don't know what to tell you. Y'all are goons.
This they crit fail. They crit failed.
Yikers, still a miss.
Your AC's too high.
22.
Hey, did that one kill one of his friends? Did he shoot one of his
Yes,
friends? 'Cause
that would be my question as well.
somebody-
Does that one is going to kill his friend?
No.
Yeah, I mean, one's okay.
Okay.
That just works our way then. Darn.
Same true.
I
That's
mean,
a one-way pat. That's a one-way
Joey-
street.
Yeah.
Joe was telling us that he prepared a little table for critical failures, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, so maybe you should roll that table for critical failures. It should still count as a crit fail.
Do you not see
I mean,
the
the dude's
D10?
motion-
Do you not
Yeah,
see the
he rolled-
D10?
He rolled a d10.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Okay.
Okay. What does 4 mean?
Uh, you don't see anything from behind the shadows. You guys can't see the orcs
Do we
across
hear
from them.
anything?
A very loud crack. And
Okay.
then some very bad word in orcish.
Okay. Alright, cool.
This orc. Ooh, that's something. That was a smoke bomb. How far does it go? Okay. So it's like, yeah, about 15 feet.
He's really gonna throw a smoke bomb against me?
No, at
He
the
wants me to
floor.
get- he wants. Yeah. So he's gonna obstruct the vision of the archers so that I don't have to worry about them as much, because they're probably shooting with disadvantage if they're gonna be shooting into something like that.
He throws a smoke bomb on the floor, but it's strangely green all of a sudden. It's a strange green snowball, green ball. He laughs and ooh, Hold on, I forgot. You could color too. Where's the color option? I want to do some drawing. Here it is. Drawing, yeah. So I should be around this area. I just do this. This area is now covered in green smoke.
Awesome.
Very awesome.
Oops, I made a mistake.
And this area?
What do I see inside the green smoke?
Nothing. All you see is green. No, everything is standing out that is not green.
Everything is what?
Everything,
Green.
everything's slowly filling the area. You besides the couple of inches behind you, and everything else is filling up with the green fog, with the orc laugh fiendishly behind
Do I
you.
feel anything from it immediately? Like, do I feel that it's bad, or do I feel if it's doing any effects to me?
No, you don't notice
Does
anything.
it taste or smell anything?
It tastes like orc.
It's a
Seems to
fart.
like a piss bomb. Yeah, he feels fart.
Fart. It's a large fart.
All you do
Awesome.
know is the vision in front of you and slowly around you is beginning to fade greatly.
When
Okay.
did they learn to do that?
Huh?
Okay. How did they learn to do that?
The other guy didn't even know what magic was, but I guess this isn't magic. It's supposed to be sort of some sort of item.
You do not
Yeah,
see what's going on with this orc. You don't see anything.
Well, his friends don't see anything as well. So
Yeah, they shouldn't see anything either.
Yeah.
Did this guy hit? You got to roll for a movement there.
Yeah. Nith?
Can I like peek out of the car? Like I don't want to go out. I just want to see if I can see something without stepping in the open.
You are directly behind what you can only the very tip of the corner. Although only Tarvin knows of the longbows, since he has not made any indication of it.
Didn't I see any flying arrows when they tried to hit him?
No, they all missed, so you didn't notice anything.
Okay. And I can see the orcs.
Yes.
Does the
You see
the-
Tarvin and two orcs, but then a sudden green smoke is covering everything. You could barely see. You could clearly see Tarvin in his very red outfit, though.
can does it count as a cover for them?
Yes.
So if I sacred flame and they fail, I still hit.
I'll let you roll for disadvantage, though.
No, they hit. They are supposed to hit the 11 DC on the save.
Sorry, I didn't mean to press that. Sorry.
What's that?
I'm just looking.
They do dexterity saving throw. The DC is 11, and if they don't
they
make
should
it,
roll.
I do 1d8 damage.
You mean they should roll disadvantage if they are not seen? Is that what you mean?
Oh,
I mean, sacred flame ignores cover.
okay.
It's its thing.
Okay. Yeah, they still have to roll for that, I guess. Yeah, because it's still in the general area, right? And right now they have
Yeah.
left that.
I just need to know the general area.
Yeah. So you see a big puff of smoke. Do you throw it in that direction?
Yep.
Okay.
Direction of like where I see them last, so it would be somewhere there.
Okay. You throw in a big puff of smoke. Oh, so the box is just an indicator. You guys can't see what's going on happening inside.
Okay. Does the orc nearby makes it safe?
What happened?
11, yeah. DC 11.
Let's see.
Dexterity save too.
See 11 and 8 damage if they don't make it.
Damn it. No,
One
one
of them
didn't.
didn't.
Yeah, one of them takes. You hear a very loud growl from one of the orcs in the fog, but that's about it.
Oh, you twin spelled it?
Let's say that I did. I
Well-
spent.
Oh wait, no, it's not an area effect, is it? Huh?
No, I just. It's one of them. But I didn't specify which one, did I?
No.
No.
Do you
The
need
first
a line of sight for? Wait. Do you need a line of sight?
I may. It depends
Do you
if
have
it
the-
counts as cover. Wait a minute.
Yeah, look it up.
Flame?
Is this
not
a creature you can see within range, though?
Yes,
That's
the
the
Wait, what's this spell called again?
I don't know
Sacred
if you can see
Flame.
them.
sacred flame.
If you can see them, you should be able to hit
You
them.
can see.
basically.
No, I have to see them. Just ignore cover. That's bad. Sorry.
No, it's okay.
That's the definition.
That you can see within range. So yeah. Oh yeah. You know, it's okay. It's okay. Man. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Would you like to try something else, or would you like to just keep going?
I can do something that is stupid. But I may just go for it because I don't have any other option.
Hmm.
I see Tarvin, yes,
You see the back of Tarvin, yeah.
and they have dark vision and it is currently dark.
There's somewhat light in the cave. There's fungus and candles lit about, so it's pretty bright in the cave.
But if I put light on Tarvin's shield, would it like blind them temporarily?
That would literally just give away weapons. Okay.
you are going to
Like, hey,
expose
come
him-
hit this. Hey,
You are
this
going to expose him
where
to
a target
all. You could use light